Can you explain joins in SQL with real life analogy? SQL is a relational database where multiple tables are connected to each other, and when we want to retrieve data from this multiple table, we can use joins to get meaningful information from this complex structure. In other words, join keyword combines two or more table and creates temporary merge table out of it. Let's understand types of join with real life analogy. Consider Ross and Rachel are getting married, so many people are attending their wedding, out of which few are common friends of Rachel and Ross, and some people only know Ross and some are friends with only Rachel. Just like Ross and Rachel merging their lives, we can merge tables in SQL using joins. The rows with a common field or common values in both the table are considered for creating new temporary table. This type of join where only mutual record, that is record common in both the table, are considered is called as inner join. So it's like getting mutual friends of Ross and Rachel. On other hand, join that create temporary merge table using all the rows from left table and only common rows from both the table are called as left join. This join is like collection of all the people who are friends with a Ross and mutual friend of Ross and Rachel. The next type of join is right join, which creates a temporary merge table using all the rows from a right table and only common rows from both the table. This join is like a collection of all the people who are friends with a Rachel and mutual friends of Ross and Rachel. The final type of join is called as full join, which creates temporary merge table using all the rows from both the table that match the join condition. This type of join is a combination of left and right join. Now let's understand syntax of a joins. First part of syntax is like a select statement, which is select keyword followed by name of a columns and then from keyword followed by name of a table. Then comes types of join, which can be inner join, left join, right join or full join. Then comes name of a second table, also known as right table, followed by on keyword, and in the end condition, which will get checked while retrieving data from this table. Usually, this condition is used to check foreign key of a first table and primary key of a second table, which are used to connect both the tables. For example, if you have two tables, friends and city. In the friends table, we have a city ID as a foreign key, which links to the ID of a city table. So our query becomes select first name, last name, city name from friends table, inner join, city on friends.cityid is equal to city.id. If you want to get left join, then just replace inner join keyword with the left join. And similarly for right join, you can use right join keyword, and for full join, you can use full join keyword. Check out my YouTube video if you want to understand different types of keys in SQL. That's it for today's video. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.